Royal Enfield Bullet 500 is a motorcycle that carries the legacy of one of the oldest and most iconic brands in the world. First introduced in 1932, the Bullet series has remained a symbol of ruggedness and reliability for decades. The 500 cubic centimeters variant became a favorite among riders who wanted more power while maintaining the bike's classic aesthetics. Royal Enfield originally started as a British company, but over time, India became its primary market. Today, India remains the largest consumer and producer of Royal Enfield motorcycles, with significant sales in the UK, the USA, and Southeast Asia. The Bullet 500 gained immense popularity due to its old-school charm, solid build quality, and the unmistakable thump of its exhaust. Riders across generations appreciate its timeless appeal, making it more than just a motorcycle, it's a cultural icon. Powered by a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, the Bullet 500 delivers 27.2 horsepower and 41.3 Newton-meters of torque. It's not built for high-speed performance but offers a steady and torquey ride, making it perfect for highway cruising and relaxed rides. The bike's low-end torque ensures smooth acceleration, giving riders a satisfying and effortless riding experience. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point of Royal Enfield motorcycles. The Bullet 500 delivers around 30 to 35 kilometers per liter, making it a practical choice for long-distance touring. Its large fuel tank adds to its touring capability, allowing riders to cover long distances without frequent refueling stops. The Bullet 500 is built for comfort and endurance rather than aggressive speed. With a strong metal frame, long wheelbase, and comfortable seating, it ensures a stable and enjoyable ride. The heavy build provides excellent stability on highways, though it can be slightly challenging to maneuver in tight spaces. The bike's front disc brake improves safety, while the halogen headlamp provides decent visibility for night rides. Key features of the Bullet 500 include its hand-crafted metal body, vintage-style fuel tank, analog instrument cluster, front disc brakes, and electric start. Unlike modern motorcycles, the Bullet retains its old-school charm, making it a unique and desirable machine for enthusiasts. Before being discontinued in some markets due to emission regulations, the Bullet 500 was priced around $5,500 to $6,000. Despite this, its resale value remains high, as many riders seek to own a piece of motorcycling history. What truly sets the Bullet 500 apart is its timeless design, legendary exhaust note, and the pure joy of riding a machine that feels alive. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience that connects the rider to the road like no other. For those who appreciate heritage and character in their rides, the Bullet 500 remains a legendary choice. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.